Imagine a world where you never have to swat away mosquitoes. No itchy bites and no buzzing in your ear when you are trying to sleep. But what if I told you that getting rid of mosquitoes could actually cause more harm than good? Mosquitoes are one of the most annoying creatures on the planet. They crash our picnics, ruin outdoor fun, and worst of all, spread deadly diseases like malaria and dengue fever. Many people dream of a world without them. But mosquitoes are more than just tiny bloodsuckers. They play a role in nature that we don't often think about. So, what would really happen if they disappeared completely? Would it be a blessing or a disaster? Mosquitoes are responsible for killing millions of people every year by spreading diseases. If they were wiped out, diseases like malaria, Zika virus, and dengue fever would vanish, saving millions of lives. Hospitals wouldn't be overwhelmed with mosquito-borne illness. Sounds like an absolute win, right? Well, not so fast. Mosquitoes are not just disease carriers. They are also a food source, pollinators, and a key part of many ecosystems. Their sudden disappearance would cause a ripple effect, leading to unexpected problems for nature and even for humans. For starters, mosquitoes are a vital food source for many animals. Fish, frogs, birds, bats, and other insects rely on mosquito larvae and adult mosquitoes for survival. If mosquitoes disappeared, many of these creatures would struggle to find food, which could lead to population declines or even extinctions. And when one species declines, it affects the entire food chain. Birds and bats that eat mosquitoes would have to find alternative food sources, which might not be as nutritious or abundant. This could lead to weaker populations and, in turn, affect predators that rely on these birds and bats. Then there is pollination. While bees are the superstars of pollination, some mosquitoes also help pollinate plants, particularly in wetlands and tropical forests. Without them, certain plant species might struggle to reproduce, leading to reduced plant diversity. Mosquitoes also play a role in breaking down organic matter. Their larvae feed on decaying plant material, helping recycle nutrients back into the ecosystem. If they disappeared, there could be an unexpected buildup of organic waste in certain environments, which might affect soil health and plant growth. But there is an even stranger consequence. If mosquitoes were gone, it might allow other pests to thrive. Mosquitoes compete with other insects for food and breeding grounds. Without them, we could see an explosion in population of other pests like flies, ants, and cockroaches, which could bring their own set of problems. Getting rid of mosquitoes wouldn't just affect nature, it would also shake up industries. The insecticide industry is worth billions of dollars. If mosquitoes disappeared, businesses that make mosquito repellents, sprays, and nets would have to shift focus or shut down entirely. On the other hand, tourism could boom. Many travel destinations suffer from mosquito-related problems. If there were no mosquitoes, places like tropical rainforests, lakesides, and coastal regions would become even more attractive for tourists. Camping, hiking, and outdoor activities would become more enjoyable without the constant annoyance of bites. So, what's the biggest surprise in all of this? It's that mosquitoes, despite being a major nuisance, are deeply woven into the balance of life. While their removal would eliminate deadly diseases, it would also disrupt ecosystems, harm animal populations, and even change the way we grow crops. Nature is all about balance, and removing one part of the puzzle can have unpredictable results. Would the world be better without mosquitoes? In some ways, yes. Millions of lives would be saved from deadly diseases. But in other ways, their disappearance could lead to new problems, declining animal populations, changes in ecosystems, and even a rise in other pests. Mosquitoes may be the villains of the insect world, but they are also part of the natural system that keeps life going. Rather than dreaming of wiping them out completely, perhaps the real challenge is controlling the diseases they spread while letting nature do its job. What do you think? Would you want a world without mosquitoes, even if it meant some negative consequences? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget, like, share and subscribe for more interesting content. Thanks for watching.